Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to limit CPU usage in Windows 10 so your computer runs smoother and avoids overheating. Step 1. Click the Start button on your desktop and type Control Panel. This will help you access the main settings of your Windows system where you can manage hardware and software options. Step 2. Click on the Control Panel icon when it appears in the search results. This opens the central hub for adjusting system settings and configurations. Step 3. In the Control Panel window, click on System and Security. This section contains important settings related to your system performance, security, and power options. Step 4. Click on Power Options. Here you can manage how your computer uses energy, which affects performance and CPU usage. Step 5. Find your currently active power plan and click on Change Plan Settings next to it. This lets you customize how your CPU behaves under your selected plan. Step 6. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. This opens a detailed menu where you can control the performance limits of your hardware. Step 7. In the new window, scroll down and click on the plus icon next to Processor Power Management. This section contains the settings that directly control your CPU's performance. Step 8. Click on the plus icon next to Maximum Processor State to expand it. This allows you to set the highest percentage of CPU usage your computer can reach. Step 9. Click on the percentage next to Setting and type in the maximum CPU usage you want. For example, 80. This limits the CPU from running at full capacity, helping prevent overheating. Step 10. Click Apply, then click OK. Your changes are now saved, and your CPU usage is limited to the percentage you set, keeping your system stable and cool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.